locations. Spin this whip like I'm in a race. I got 2 sweet ones waiting. You wonder why you ain't got no bread. You do too much complaining. TBH, to be honest, me I just find it draining.
Now then, boys, I'm going to do a quick recap of the trade I took on Friday, the 2nd of May 2025. Just a quick one, quick first video. So let's jump straight into it, yeah? Right, I'm going to remove all these drawings for us real quick. 1 hour, this is how I trade. 1 hour points of interest with my daily bias. Right now, my daily bias is, technically, we're still positive on the day, but I believe that we could retrace to these imbalances, fair value gaps, flip zones, fucking Wagyu beef, you know what I mean? So, 4 hour, we're negative from here. This is a strong low because it made a higher high. We've broke negative. We are trading short. Let's be real. Let's not try, put a silver lining on gold just because we've been crazy this year. Doesn't mean that we're going to go long every day. Do you know what I'm saying? Right, so straight up points of interest on the hourly chart. Fair value gap. Okay, we see that straight away. We are trading from this zone. It's going to piss some people off, innit? Yeah, we're trading from that zone. Well, this is the zone. Okay, this is our hourly zone. Because, as you can see, low, high, low, lower low, broke structure here, negative again. There's your hourly breaker structure. This is the hourly zone we are playing in. Alright? So, we've actually, let's bring this back because you can already see the bloody chart of what bloody happened, which is not what I wanted to do. Alright? So, this fair value gap is also stacked with this flip zone. A flip zone is either a support to resistance flip or a resistance to support flip. So as you can see, lots of support here where it was bouncing from. We broke the support and now we are trading this. It's a bit of a mad zone. We're trading this as resistance now. So this is a stacked zone. As you can see, we've got 2 stacked things here. We also have the breaker block, okay, which the breaker block is the candle what broke the previous low. Equilibrium, that type of stuff. I'm not going to get too much into that today. I just want to go over the trade recap. So let's play this forward. As you can see, right now we are in Asia session, 2 in the morning. I'm not up then, am I, bruv? Do you know what I mean? So, as you can see, we are tapping into this zone now. Now, I still won't be awake. I'm getting up at 7 o'clock to trade. Pre-session analysis for the day. I do work every day as well, so I can still trade in work. I've just got to set my alerts, my points of interest. And then I'm waiting for a micro breaker structure on the 5-minute time frame. And so, let's jump onto the 5. We are also looking for session sweeps, and we are targeting session lows and lows for our take profits. As you can see, you got your minor breaker structure here, I think. Yeah, you did. So, as you can see, you could be looking to trade this. This is my model. You've got a nice fair value gap here. You could be looking to trade this, but a lot of the time you may get your manipulation in London session, so it might manipulate you to think you're trading your short from here, but it might come in New York session. So you just got to be careful. I don't think I would have entered here. No, I wouldn't have entered here. Just be more patient with your trading, etc. This trade I took was actually later on in the day, so we will play this forward real quick. Make sure you're back testing, guys. That is the one. So all I'm doing is we're in our hourly point of interest. We're in our hourly point of interest here. we are looking now for shorts. You've broke your 5-minute strong low here. So, as you can see, when we broke, we did have these wicks up, which you could have shorted from realistically, but we like to stay patient. We follow the plan. We've now made some fair value gaps. Fair value gaps isn't my only entry. MSS, market structure shift, or inverse fair value gaps as well, is also my entry model. So we're on the 5 right now. I'm just going to throw my indicators on real quick for session lows. I'm going to show you these session lows because I didn't used to use session lows, but since I have been, they've been interesting for taking profit, etc. So as you can see, we've got Asia session highs here. We've swept Asia session highs in London session. Now, tying in, that's our confluence. That's just another confluence. We've broken the 5-minute. We are looking for these Asia lows. I'm gonna take that fucking Asia low. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're doing it. All right. Let's pull back into this fair value gap, and let's short that shit. All right. Let's go, boy. As you can see, we've broke above. It's a bit risky, but it doesn't matter because, as you can see, if we jump onto our middle time frame, which is our 15-minute time frame, we've broke structure here as well. Negative on the 15, so technically, we can trade all the way up to this strong high, what broke the low, and it still be negative. And that's why I wasn't too worried about the inverse fair value gap. Okay, so I believe I actually shorted from here. This is exactly where I shorted from. If we jump onto the 1, let's see that 1-minute break first. Okay, you're in that shit. Do you understand what I'm saying? I got in around here, if I remember correctly. Let's target these Asia lows. Okay, and I'll always have my stop above the high. I always risk 2 to 1. I am going to experiment with 3 to 1 soon, but soon come. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to stay consistent with this model right now, and then I can start exploring other ways. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's play this shit, see what it's saying. As you can see, absolutely stunning trade. Let's jump up my phone real quick and find this profit. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm going to cover my account balance real quick because I don't want you, man, trying to scam, man. Do you understand? As you can see, I don't know whether you can see, but all we can see here is fucking blue. Well, there's quite a lot of red there, but don't watch that because they're small losses. But oh shit, I was doing the wrong side, that's why. As you can see there, how much did we make off that? 720 quid. Do you know what I mean? That's more than I fucking earn at work in a week. And how long did this take? This took 3 o'clock till 4:30. Do you know what I mean? An hour and a half. Simple shit, man. We'll have a quick recap of the trade. So, hourly point of interest, we're negative on the 4. We're shorting that shit. Do you know what I mean? All the time frames are aligning. You've got your 1 aligning. You got your 1 aligning with your 4. You got a 5 aligning with your 1. Understand that market structure alignment is what you're trying to find in these markets, with micro breaks, shit like that, and you are winning, mate. As you can see, we jump down to the 5. We break structure, but that's also a 15-minute break of structure, as I explained. So this was the high that we didn't want to break. If we break the high, we close above the high, I'm out of my trade. That's my trade invalidated. It doesn't matter. We move on. As you can see, that's absolutely beautiful. Just what we want on a Friday, finishing for the weekend. I had about 15 pints after that trade. Nah, I'm joking. I didn't. I like to stay level-headed. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Thank you for watching. There's going to be plenty more trading recaps. Go follow my TikTok, JCarFX, and yeah, 10-minute video. You know what I'm saying? You might as well watch this while you're eating your dinner and shit. Like, it's just calm. Shout at me anyway. Nice one, boys. See you later, and girls.